Hi again. This time we are going to be using the calculator to calculate cross-oblique cylinders and vertex compensation. First of all, we go to the prescription menu and go to the oblique cylinders. What could the oblique cylinders be used for? In the case of toric contact lenses fittings. First, you need to key in the prescription the power of the lens that is being worn by the patient, not the actual prescription, but the power of the lens. So let's say we have a plus 525 lens, minus 250, axis 160. Now you have an over refraction done over it, and here's the result. You have a result of plus 0.50 minus 0.75, and let's say axis 25. Notice I put 3 digits for the axis here. If I click on calculate, the cylinder value must be between 7 and 7 diopters. Notice I have forgotten to put a dot here. So let's correct that. And now I do have my required power. Plus 543 minus 261, axis 167. I'm pretty well aware that all of you do know that a 543 sphere would not be available. Probably we would go with 550, and probably 250 for the cylinder. As far as the axis go, it would be probably related to the axis of rotation of the lens as well. So maybe 165, maybe 160, maybe 170, maybe 175. All depends on the axis of rotation, but probably 165 or 170. Now, for the vertex power, I can calculate the vertex power of a lens, sphere or spherocylinder, no problem. Now let's say I do have a minus 12 lens, and I would like to calculate its power when I adjust a contact lens. So the vertex exam distance would be 13 millimeters. Calculate this. Now minus 1038. Would that be very different from the charts you do use? Not necessarily. And using the charts, you'd find 1038. You'd say, okay, 1038 does not exist. I can go 1050 or 10. Now it's your call. On that, thank you very much for listening.